Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Trax key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. We'll cover everything from opening the fob to inserting the new battery, ensuring your remote works perfectly again. Let's get started with the first step. First, locate the small silver button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the internal mechanical key, then pull it out. Now, look for a small slot near where the key was. Insert the tip of your mechanical key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. This is important for correct installation. Now, gently pry out the old battery using your finger or a small non-metallic tool. Take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it, making sure the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Press it down until it clicks securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap shut, ensuring a tight seal. Reinsert your mechanical key. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Chevy Trax key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.